Today I'm reloading the Milwaukee M12 Grease Gun with a fresh canister of grease. I'm going to show you the easy way without taking this end off. I'm going to start off by taking the battery out, pushing the pressure release valve on the front to let any air out. Pull the plunger out and lock it into place there. And we can just unscrew this. Pull out the old cartridge. New cartridge, plastic cap off the end, and then with the open end, slide that into the canister. Pop the ring pull on there. Slide this back into here. Okay, so now I can release this rod and it should be sitting up against the plunger. Pushing that in while holding the pressure relief valve. Now I've got grease coming out of there. Can then twist this and push that rod all the way back in, and that plunger will sit at the back, pressed by the spring.